photo op. Meet our team members.
Calcutta, now Kolkata, is one of the oldest cities in India and was colonized by the British. We are going to explore some of the beautiful sights in the city today. Let's go! Our first destination is St. James Church. Highly Anglo Catholic in tradition, has a Gothic architecture and popularly known as Jora Girja because of the two towers on top. It was built in 1862 with the support of John Henry Pratt, located in Enteley, central Calcutta. Mother Teresa started her activities here too. St. Teresa's Church is located in AGC Bose Road, Taltala, near Molali. It is a Roman Catholic church under the Archdiocese of Calcutta. The foundation stone for this church was laid on 28th of December in 1895. It is beautifully decorated during Christmas and known for its huge prayer hall. Park Street Cemetery, located in Mother Teresa Sharoni. This Gothic graveyard was established in the 18th century and was used by British officials and their families. It was closed a few decades later. Although it has stopped receiving the dead, many believe this place is haunted. Back then, the area was called the Burial Ground Road. Many of the British and European colonial residents in Kolkata caught tropical diseases during that time. They couldn't be cured back then. So a lot of them died very young, some in their 20s, while some even a few months old. Some of the notable tombs are Sir William Jones, founder of Asiatic Society, and Henry Louis Vivian de Rosio.
In front of us right now is the 42. It is the tallest building in India outside of Mumbai.
समोसा गरम चाट होगा ये गर्मा गरम चाट खाइए ये समोसा गरम चाट है आइए
MP Birla Planetarium, adjacent to St. Paul's Cathedral Church and nearest to the Maidan metro station. It is an iconic structure based on the Sanchi Stupa. The planetarium was inaugurated by Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru on 29 September 1962. It was dedicated to the city of Kolkata on 18 July 2017 after its 2 years of renovation. Paul's Cathedral is a church of North India Cathedral of Anglican background in Kolkata, noted for its Gothic architecture and dedicated to Paul the Apostle. It is said to be the largest church in Kolkata and the first Anglican cathedral in Asia. The architectural design of the cathedral is Indo-Gothic, a Gothic architectural style designed to meet the climate of India. Following the 1897 earthquake and the subsequent massive earthquake of 1934, when Calcutta suffered substantial damage, the cathedral was reconstructed to a revised design.
After our visit at the cathedral, we make our way towards Park Street. Park Street, officially known as Mother Teresa Saroni, is a famous thoroughfare in downtown Kolkata. Park Street is one of the most happening places in Kolkata during Christmas. There are a lot of pubs and restaurants here, and you can always visit Allen Park and St. Thomas Church, which are located just next to Park Street. We make our final stop at Catherine Confectioners to have some cakes and pastries. Founded in 1978, they are quite a famous name in Kolkata as far as baked goods are concerned.
Team Utsav wishes you Merry Christmas and a wonderful year ahead. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.